Smart Posture Care System. Smart Posture Care System, available in the GV70, automatically sets an optimal driving posture based on the driver's height, sitting height and weight entered in the infotainment system. It automatically adjusts the driver's seat position, steering wheel power adjusted position, side mirror position, and head-up display position. To use the system, make sure the vehicle is in park with the engine on. Press the Set button on the driver's door for more than 2 seconds. The system will beep once, and the setting menu for the Smart Posture Care System will be displayed on the infotainment system. You can also press the Setup button and use the setting menu on the infotainment system to enter the same menu. Select Vehicle, then Seat, then Smart Posture Care, then enter driver's information. Select Posture Analysis after entering your information. On the Posture Analysis screen, select Adjust Posture, and the system will automatically adjust the driver's seat position, steering wheel power adjusted position, side mirror position, and head-up display position. You can also skip the posture analysis and select the Adjust Posture option to adjust to the recommended posture. Enter your information and scroll down the infotainment system display. Then select Adjust Posture. See Owner's Manual or use the QR code on the web manual under the Manual menu of the infotainment system for further details and limitations.